Hello everyone, I'm SELVANUR CHAPCI from Istanbul Kültür University. My department is in Child Education in Kültür University. I am doing my PhD degree right now and my specialty is early childhood education. Today we are in Western Caspian University, so we will talk about the social emotional learning. Social emotional learning is depend on the social and emotional skills in early childhood education and the other developmental areas. So we will discuss about what is the social and emotional learning meaning. We will discuss about emotional intelligence, and we will discuss about the implementation about social emotional learning. There is some kind of theories about this, and we will talk all of the social and societal things about the learning process. After all of this, firstly we will improve our social emotional skills, and after that we will do some implementation activities about early childhood process. I'm happy to be here Bakü and Western Caspian University. I would like to give some information about my specialty, and I hope all of you enjoy it.